This episode I'm going to install a Mustard Bikes reflector on the mighty DRZ and add an additional 5 horsepower.
A.
Piss take.
Production.
Welcome back to another episode. This is for the blokes that do the tail tidy on the Suzuki DRZ. A must-have component addition to the number plate is a reflector, and they call it an ADR approved red reflector. And I'll give a shout out to the manufacturer that makes this. It's from Mustard Bikes, and he makes this CNC'd aluminium powder coated piece that just sits onto the lower side of your number plate. And I've used it on a number of bikes, and I'm going to add it to this bike now, and highly recommend it actually. So let's go. The one thing I will change are the nut and bolt, just to match my existing domed hex nut and bolt. So that's one thing I'll swap out, just to a smaller size. Bolt and a nut. Same for the other side. Washer. It's just an 8mm nut and a 3mm Allen key for the head. The good thing is it adds a little bit of strength to the number plate as well. There you go, that's the finished product. Highly recommend Mustard Bikes for the reflector to finish off your tail tidy.